Hi, welcome to my video. I'm just going to show you a simple menu application that I made using JavaScript. It's going to allow the user to create different lists. So let me just start off by going over my classes. We have an item class. It contains constructor with a name and a describe method. I also have the myList class. It's going to contain an empty array of items as well as a list name and a add item method. I have a menu class that's going to contain an empty array of lists, as well as selected list as a constructor that I set to null so that I can work with one list at a time. Several methods within the menu class. A start method that runs through using a switch statement and gives all the different options, which are view all current lists, see a list, create a new list, and delete a list. There's also an option to select 0, which will just take you back and have an alert that says, have a nice day. There's also a show menu options method. It shows all the different options for the user to select. Show menu options for lists, which allows the user to add items or delete items from a list. We have view all current lists, which checks to make sure that the list array is not empty. And if it is, it's going to pop up with an alert saying there are currently no lists to view. I also have a create new list method, a see list method, which is going to allow the user to see list details and all the items. And again, if this is empty and there are no lists, it'll pop up with an alert saying there are currently no lists to view. Also have a create item, and delete list methods. Let me go ahead and open this up and I'll show you how it works. All right, so let's just go ahead and I'll show you exit. Have a nice day. We try to see all the current lists, even though there are none. We get this alert. View list details. I'll just put a random number in here. There are currently no lists to view. Let's go ahead and create a new list. So we'll do shopping. And we'll do another one called camping. Let's go ahead and delete one of them. Actually, let's do see all current lists, 1. So you can see shopping and camping. Shopping is 0. So we'll go ahead and delete shopping. Delete a list, enter 0. And you can see that it shifted camping down to 0. We go to see list details, number 2. Enter a number of the lists you'd like to see. We know it's 0. We can add some items to that list. Tent. We'll add another item. So why not? Sleeping bag. Go to view list details, 0. You can delete items using 2. We'll delete that first item, 0. View list details, and you can see that it's all working. You can add items, delete items. Let's go ahead and delete another item. And then view list details again. Let's try to delete something that doesn't exist because currently there are no items. So if we try to do that, we get another alert saying there are currently no items in the list. So yeah, that's all I have. Pretty simple menu application, but it's nice. So thank you for watching.